In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the trading panel on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, mastering this powerful tool can be a game changer for managing your investments effectively. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently use this feature. To get started, first head over to tradingview.com. Here you'll find a wide variety of tools and features focused on enhancing your trading experience. Once on the website, open any chart of your choice. This could be a stock, cryptocurrency, or any other financial instrument you're interested in analyzing. TradingView offers a comprehensive selection of charts, so pick one that you want to work with. Now that you have your chart open, direct your attention to the bottom of the chart. This is where you'll find the trading panel. It's an essential component as it allows you to connect to your brokerage account or use a paper trading account if you're experimenting with strategies without risking real money. Click on the trading panel to bring up the connection interface. At this point, you'll need to make a choice between two options: connecting to your real broker or opting for paper trading. If you've already connected a real brokerage account, your actual account details should appear, giving you real-time access to your trading activities. This can be advantageous if you're trading live and need to monitor and manage your trades. However, if you're either new to trading or prefer to practice without financial risk, you can choose the Paper Trading by TradingView option. This helpful feature provides you with virtual funds, allowing you to simulate trading in real market conditions without using real money. It's a fantastic way to hone your skills and build confidence before transitioning to live trading. Once you're connected, whether through a real or paper account, you can view your portfolio by navigating through the tabs located on the bottom panel. The Positions tab is where you'll find information on your open trades. This section is vital for quickly assessing your current market exposure and managing risk. Next up is the Orders tab, where you'll see your pending buy or sell orders. Keeping track of these helps ensure you're aware of upcoming trades that might automatically execute. Additionally, take a look at the History tab, which provides a record of your closed trades as well as any deposits and withdrawals you've made. This historical perspective can give you insights into your trading performance and help identify areas for improvement. Finally, the Balance/Equity tab offers a snapshot of your current account value, a critical piece of information to gauge your financial standing at a glance. And that's a wrap on how to navigate the trading panel on TradingView. Practicing with these steps will help you effectively manage your trades and enhance your trading experience.